It is Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us a few at-home popcorn hacks. Let's check it out.
If you are looking for a way to save money and have healthy snacks on hand, look no further than popcorn. Popcorn, when we buy it in these kernels, is affordable. It's a whole grain, and anytime we make a snack at home, we control the fat, the salt, the sugar content. That's always a good thing, and you don't need any special equipment or gadgets to make popcorn. If you have one of those popcorn air poppers or the stovetop cookers, of course you can use them, but if you don't have them, all you really need is your household microwave and a brown paper bag, which is what we're going to do today. You just open that bag up, and I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of popcorn in. It doesn't have to be exact, but if you put more than that in there, they just won't pop. So now I'm going to put this in my microwave. I'm rolling it up about 3 times. We want to make sure to do that, maybe 4, just to make sure that we don't have popcorn popping out all over the place. Now, I just put that in my microwave on the popcorn setting. If you do not have a popcorn setting, don't worry. All you have to do is put it in for about 2.5–3 minutes. And really what we're listening for is for the popcorn to start popping. It's going to pop pretty heavily in about the middle of the run, and then as we get close to the 2.5 and 3 minute mark, it starts to slow down, and that's when we're really listening. When the popcorn starts to slow so that you can hear that it's spinning in there and it's not popping, you want to turn it off and grab that bag out of the microwave as soon as possible, because otherwise you're going to have that lovely burnt popcorn smell that lingers for quite a while. So after about 2.5–3 minutes, our popcorn is ready. Some of this out of the way. I have more popcorn in here than I could put in the bowl. A few kernels, but they're falling to the bottom. And then now how we treat this is really up to us. Of course, you could put a little bit of butter on there. One of my favorite things to do is to do just a little bit of olive oil. Good flavored one too, if you have it. And then I sprinkle nutritional yeast on there, which is something you can buy from the grocery store. It's kind of like a vegetarian cheese substitute. You could do a little pinch of seafood seasoning if you wanted. You could do something such as a sharp cheese and just grate a little bit of that on there, and then I would probably put it back in the microwave for about 10 seconds just so the cheese melts on and kind of sticks to the popcorn. Other things you could do, if you have any kind of seasonings, this is a flavored salt, but you could use ranch powdered seasoning, you could use taco seasoning, just a little bit of that on there. They are high in salt, but you're not eating the whole packet. You're going to be eating about probably a 1/4 teaspoon of it sprinkled over the whole thing. And they aren't just salt, they have other things mixed in with them. You could use chili powder and things like that, smoked paprika. You could even make it sweet and do some cinnamon sugar or a little bit of pumpkin spice mix and sugar. But really, there's endless flavor combinations. It's up to you, and it's just such a quick, easy thing that you can do and a healthy snack that you can have. So I hope that the next time you're craving a little snack, you try this popcorn hack out and enjoy.